We all love pets that look cute, but that doesn't mean these animals will love us back. Hello, in this episode, we're going to talk about 10 cute animals that could kill you. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you can receive our videos as soon as they're uploaded. You might have seen videos of cute pandas trying to move from tree to tree or struggling to eat bamboo. The first impression you get from watching such videos might be that you'd want to hug and play with that cuddly bear, but I wouldn't recommend it. Although pandas rely on bamboo for their food, they are highly temperamental creatures and can get angry quickly if they feel threatened. In 2015, there was an incident involving a panda that people were chasing in a village. When the panda escaped, it entered a small farm, and unfortunately for the farmer, he was there at the time. The panda attacked him quickly, biting his legs. Luckily, the farmer survived, but this is just one example of many panda-related incidents. Although dolphins are considered friendly to humans in the sea, this mammal can display some very strange behavior. The bottlenose dolphin is the only creature besides humans known to kill without apparent reason. Although there aren't many recorded attacks on humans, there have been quite a few documented cases. In 1994, a dolphin attacked two people in Brazil, killing one and breaking the ribs of the other. Another person reported that while near Sherkin Island in Ireland, a dolphin deliberately tried to drown him. The slow loris looks so adorable that you might feel an immediate sense of empathy when you see it, and it wouldn't be surprising if you wanted it as a pet. However, if you did, your life would certainly be in danger. Aside from the fact that owning a slow loris is illegal, it's an extremely dangerous animal and is considered the most venomous mammal in the world. The way the slow loris uses its venom is quite unusual. It secretes venom from its elbow and then licks it into its mouth, mixing it with its saliva, turning its bite into a lethal weapon. What's also intriguing about the slow loris is that it mimics cobra behavior when it feels threatened. It hisses like a cobra and starts to sway as it moves. The mute swan is renowned for its role in ballet and is highly admired for its stunning beauty and elegance. Many people consider it one of the gentlest creatures in the world, but swans have a dark side that can be dangerous and even deadly. They're known to be highly aggressive, attacking and biting anyone who disturbs them. There have been numerous recorded incidents of swans trying to drown children who were playing nearby. Their long, strong necks and sharp beaks make their attacks particularly dangerous. Additionally, swans display aggressive behavior, not just hitting once and leaving. They often pursue anyone who tries to escape. The cassowary is considered the most dangerous bird in the world. This Australian bird has a striking and beautiful appearance, but its behavior is extremely violent and dangerous. Cassowaries can reach speeds of up to 48 km/h, and their most threatening attack strategy involves charging at full speed toward a target and leaping from a distance with their sharp claws aimed at their victim. They use these claws to stab into the stomach or back, often causing severe injuries like disembowelment. Their claws are so long and sharp that, in ancient times, people hunted cassowaries specifically to use their claws as weapons, attaching them to spearheads. Although fatalities from cassowary attacks are rare, there are documented cases, and people are always advised to stay away from areas where cassowaries are known to be present. Leopard seals look beautiful and cute when they're on the shore, with their soft skin and gentle facial features, which make you want to get close to them. They've become popular attractions in many zoos worldwide, but they're much more dangerous than they appear. This is because their behavior and attack methods have caused numerous human injuries and even fatalities. Apart from killer whales, leopard seals are the most dangerous predators in Antarctica, with their favorite prey being penguins. However, there have been recorded cases of them attacking divers, dragging them underwater in an attempt to drown them. Their sharp teeth and powerful jaws allow them to take large chunks of flesh with a single bite. In 2003, a biologist named Kirsty Brown died from a leopard seal attack while diving near the research station where she worked. The seal bit her legs and dragged her to the bottom until she drowned. The scientific name of the poison dart frog hints at its danger. This colorful and seemingly cute frog has several different species, each with varying levels of toxicity. The one you should be most cautious about is the golden poison dart frog, as it has enough venom to kill 10 adult humans. The key thing to remember is to never touch their brightly colored skin, no matter how appealing it might seem, because the venom is stored in their skin glands. Interestingly, when these frogs are raised in a lab, they are not poisonous. This has led scientists to believe that they absorb the toxins from the animals and insects they consume in the wild, and then use the poison themselves. The pufferfish is one of the most charming fish in the deep ocean, often featured in SpongeBob SquarePants and Finding Nemo. But don't let that fool you. It's actually quite deadly. The strange thing is that it becomes even more dangerous after it dies, as it's used in a popular Japanese dish called fugu. While alive, the pufferfish contains a toxic compound called tetrodotoxin as a defense mechanism. Just one sting could make your last day on Earth a painful one. However, the most common way people get poisoned by pufferfish is not from a sting, but from eating fugu prepared by an inexperienced chef who doesn't properly remove all the toxin during preparation. When someone is poisoned by fugu, they can experience vomiting, muscle paralysis, a rapid heart rate, and difficulty breathing. The fatality rate for those who are poisoned ranges from 10% to 50%, and as of now, there's no antidote for its toxin. This cute creature with a body like a beaver's and a bill like a duck's is called the platypus, the only egg-laying mammal. But don't let its mix of charming features mislead you into thinking it's harmless. The platypus has a spur on its hind foot containing enough venom to kill a dog. This spur is about 1.5 centimeters long, and the venom is produced by a gland near the hip. The platypus uses this venom during fights with other animals. Although its sting is usually not deadly to humans, the venom can cause severe pain. An anteater is generally a gentle animal, with a diet that consists mostly of small insects. It's considered one of the most peaceful creatures in the world. However, its defense mechanisms are something that no human would want to experience. Although an anteater typically doesn't initiate attacks, it will fiercely defend its territory if someone trespasses. It uses its enormous, sharp claws to defend itself, and to turn a minor injury into a fatal one, it stands on its hind legs, straightens its back, and strikes with all its might. There have been recorded instances of anteaters attacking humans, some even resulting in fatalities. Because anteaters are among the preferred prey of large wildcats like jaguars, they're used to defending themselves against formidable enemies, which adds to the danger if they encounter humans. Okay, we're done. Those of you who made it this far, you're the best. Give us a like before you leave, so we know how many of you made it to the end. And don't forget, if you have any questions that pop up to mind in the middle of the night and leave you scratching your head, write them to us in the comments below the video so we can answer them. Goodbye.